Oi, Fakaalofa Atu ki tō tolo osi. Whakawela ko a whakalataha mai. Checking back in again. Welcome to everyone that's here watching here on YouTube. Ko Malakamu Lakatani, also known as Malcolm Lakatani, also known as Mr. Lakatani, also known as Mr. Korotola. Just wanted to share a couple of things I've seen on YouTube. There's like lots of cool stuff on YouTube, lots of videos about people sharing stories like podcasts and things like that. Then all the obvious ones with all the news that I watch, all the fake news, nah, just jokes. But then there's all these other ones, like, you know, sports updates, sports entertainment updates. I'm a real big wrestling fan. Really like WWE, WWF from way back in the days. Been a big fan of it since maybe I was about 6. We'd wake up in the mornings. Oh no, not in the mornings. Wake up in the evenings, half asleep, and accidentally walk past television and be like, whoa, what's that? And it wasn't boxing, but there was a big crowd, and there was a ring, lots of lights, and two guys going at it, and the referee. I am still loving that stuff from when I was like 6 years old. Real talk, I love that stuff. Do you know, some other things that I really like on YouTube are music tutorials, gear reviews, people who use equipment and share their experiences with the setups, and just giving demos on how things work for them and their setups for different things like drums or guitar pedals or live setups or PA systems, or like even down to studio work with tutorials and using digital workstations. Yeah, lots of shortcuts and learning lots of things like about vocal compression, about EQing and tuning vocals and things like that, and making beats and trying to find the balance in mixes. Yeah, there's so much cool stuff that's out there on YouTube. I'm also grateful that you're here and you follow me here on YouTube, but also if you don't already know and you'd like to know more, there's like my Facebook page, which is Malcolm Lakatani. Just straight, it's a band page, it's a musician page, and also on Instagram, which is my Instagram post that I posted up that I'd really like to just post more music up, and it's just been really choice because on there I posted something about, on those different platforms I talked about a couple of things. One of those things was different projects that are coming up, and one of the big ones that's coming up is this thing called Hologa, which is it's a festival. It's a New Year festival, first of its kind here in New Zealand, where all 13 villages will get together and put on an amazing showcase of 3 of their most famous songs from their villages, showcased on stage. I think it's ticketed. I think also that it is coming up real soon in not a week's time, in a couple of weeks' time, which is like February the 22nd. So yeah, save the date and let's get along to it. Come along. Yeah, it'll be like lots of traditional songs, lots of celebration songs with the tames and the longotapus, and I think there's the longotapu vahatues as well, which is like the traditional church hymns, which would be awesome. But yeah, but there's so much that's going on. Also, shout out to people from Pacific Kids Learning. Hello. Oh, look, there goes that pen again. Pacific Kids Learning. Writing some cool music for those guys. Oh, it should be fun. There's a song about the sun that I've been working on, and a song about raw fish. Yes, special shout out to Janam over in Niue and the Basisi family, who always go out and they do fishing. And Janam's like beautiful brother who always posts up videos of cool stuff that he's up to. But recently he's posted up this video on his Facebook page, I think it is, and it's got a special type of raw fish which is called the uli henga, and they've been working on a song for kids about the uli henga, yeah, and how to prepare it in the traditional sense, and how to prepare it when you're just at home and you got a kitchen. Because traditionally it was like, damn, I've done it once traditionally, which is just down at the water, down at the sea track in the islands, and a piece of taro and some lime or lemon. Clean it. Taro. It's amazing. Anyway, there's so much on YouTube to see, everybody. And thank you for coming to see this face. Hello. Yeah, man. I need to also acknowledge my Pihigia family, who are returning back to Niue. Rest in love to my uncle Harkai Pihigia. Lots of love to all the family that were there tonight at the family service. Kia monuina e whenonga mankolo. All love and prayers to all the family, the girls in Vincent, and all the beautiful grandchildren, and especially my auntie Falanika. Okay, I'll sign out here. Koe kia, mawhala moe manuine po.